What's going on, guys? It's me again, and today we are taking a look at this Mososaurus. I believe that's how to say it. Mososaurus, like Takara figure. So you can kind of see he's brand new. He's just in the packet, not in the packet, in the box. So yeah, the box is pretty nice. Looks like he's like the floating on water version. Like you can kind of see like he's floating. And up here it says all the articulation. Comes with that thing. I don't know what that is, like a Nautilus thing. At the side shows the figure and the Nautilus thing. Here it shows the image of him. Image of the Mososaurus. And here on the other side, whoa, that's interesting. It has some cards there. Looks like one is in English and one is in Japanese. So without anything else to say now about the box, let's open up the box and take a look at the figures. So here is the Mososaurus. Pretty nice. And also comes with, the cards. Does it come with that cuttlefish thing? Or not cuttlefish, Nautilus? Oh, it does. That's pretty surprising. I'm just going to take a look at this thing. Actually, I'm going to read it out. It says, the largest of the Mososaurus, they thrived in oceans around the world during the last 20 million years of the Cretaceous period. I believe that's how to say it. While the Ichthyosaurus were going extinct and the Plesiosaurs? Yeah, I think it's Plesiosaurs were declining in number. It is believed that their bodies were better prepared than related species. They ate fish, turtles, ammonites, and etc. It says approximate, I'm just going to say it as approx 18 meters. Diet carnivores like Cretaceous, I think. Age inhabited fossil discovery place England, Netherlands, Belgium, and America. Mososaurus. I don't know what that is. I don't know what to call them. So here is the Japanese thing. Or not Japanese thing, the Japanese version. Actually it has some English right there. Pretty surprising. Now let's take a look at the Mososaurus. Mososaurus is pretty nice. Looks really nice and fresh from the packet. And, looks like he has articulation on his mouth. Opens and closes. That's a big surprise. Kind of see the tongue is painted. The teeth are painted very neat. Looks like the tongue kind of just sits in there, like really fits in there. Like that nice detail. The eyes are pretty nice, too. Not sure if you noticed this, but there's a bit of a fail here. There's like some of like the pinkish red color are like on here, kind of sticking out there. But then when you open it up, you actually see some of the blue. So they could have made it draw like this part, like kind of covering that, and then ended up painting here a bit more. Unfortunately, I think they kind of not failed, but couldn't really figure out how to do it. This is K20, the Takara made in China. Yeah, I like the blue, like going down his back. That's really nice. Then, believe it or not, this is actually rubber, his belly. Now, what's really cool about this guy is he actually floats on water. Actually, I believe he does. Yeah, he does float on water. It says in the packet, right here, I'm going to do a video on him floating on the water. So stay tuned for that. Actually, I think I'm just going to do that video right after this review. So, you're going to see his his tail can, tail can like move, has articulation here and like a tip. That's nice. What's really cool about this guy is like this rubber that goes like from here like down to here. That rubber is actually harder than like the stomach, belly, and stuff, and like basically here, all around here, here, and last but not least, here. Now this is a really soft rubber. I think this is a different type of rubber. What's really weird in the packet, looks like it's bright, like a bright hinge there, but the actual toy, it's like not that bright hinge. Not hinge, but what was he saying? Like this part, like this little dot here, the hinge, but like here. And mine's like a bit darker. Daisy, what are you scratching? Okay, sorry about that. And looks like inside the mouth there's actually like that part that's a bit weird. Whoa, I did not even notice that. How about that? It's actually, this part's painted. It's actually like painted here, like, and it's actually kind of inside, not going there. That's crazy. Bit lame, but a lame thing to be happy about. But I like that. This guy looks like one of those characters from Jurassic Park. Actually, I feel like this guy looks like. I feel like this guy would work really well if he's in Jurassic Park. Well, I don't know if he is or not, but I'm just wondering. He'd really work in Jurassic Park. Actually, he'd really work in that. Not sure if he is in Jurassic Park, but he would really work well in Jurassic Park. I think he'd be a really cool monster to have in Jurassic Park. So yeah. Next, let's take a look at this thing. This is just like some sort of a nautilus thing or something. Not nautilus, but another one of those prehistoric creatures. What's really neat about this guy is this part is actually a different color than here. The eyes are really nice. I really like the curve that goes all the way around. I really like how they did that. In the packet, it actually looks like it's like different shades of brown in the packet. That's a bit weird. Bottom, this thing, yeah, at least 3 ages. Yeah. So yeah, I wish he had like articulation here or something. Like the head could kind of rotate a bit. Unfortunately, it does not. Now, I don't know what this animal is. Maybe you can put that in the comments below, but I don't know what he is. What is he? He's like just some sort of random prehistoric creature. I'm not sure. I wish they said that, or maybe it actually does say that. But maybe I just can't really read Japanese. I can read some Japanese, not all though. Let's see. Yep, there's floating water there. I don't think it says. It says AL07. I don't know what that means. Like the 7th creature or 7th character in the series, maybe. I'm not sure. But oh well. I guess you can kind of make him eat him like this. You can bite his tentacles like this. Yum, 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 yum. I'm gonna eat you. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Pleh. Tastes terrible. So yeah, that's a nice play feature. Now, believe it or not, they actually came with a bonus thing. This toy, they actually when he bought him, when he came in, like he came in a bonus, not a bonus, but this was like an extra thing. It wasn't like this little submarine thing. It wasn't in individual resale. it was just like they decided to. They gave me it. It was just in a plastic packet. Opened it up and it was just like a submarine. That's pretty nice. So if someone's kind of hunting this guy, it'll be like this. Oh, yep. It's this piece of junk again. Yeah. Oh, the submarine looks really nice. It's really neat the way they did it. Looks brand new. Yeah. Looks really nice. I like these propellers here, then like the propellers here that kind of like you can like make them go down or make them go forward. That's really nice. Now this is actually metal. Feels a bit heavy, like as heavy as some sort of weird Hot Wheels car. Now this guy's face actually really reminds me of the Biolante's face. Looks really similar, doesn't it? Biolante's face just has tusks and is a bit bigger, and obviously the color's different. Top, that's pretty nice. Bottom, hey, the bottom's actually really similar. That's nice. So yeah. Also, just a quick note. I forgot what I was gonna say. Hate this when this happens. Well, just a quick note. Don't try to move these. These don't move, by the way. I think you'll just break it if you try to move them. Also, something to point out about this figure is like on the top, the blue is like a really like glossy, not glossy, but like a dark shade of blue. A really like solid shade of blue, but then as it goes down, it kind of gets a bit lighter, and then here, this really light blue. So like that. Also there's like a column of like spines going all the way around here. Well, if you look at this, it's probably it's like a row of spines coming all the way down. That's really nice. So yeah. Now, also something really weird about this guy is this weird like hole in there. Not a hole, but like a little lump. I feel like that's a bit weird. I don't know why they did that. Now, the tentacles look pretty nice. But I can kind of remember. I know like I have like another figure of this, but the colors are completely different. I can remember. Like I kind of know this. It's like a prehistoric creature. Surely I know. I have like a collect A packet, and I believe one of these blah, like one of these guys were in it. So yeah. Also, what's really cool is he's actually rubber, like a hard rubber, and he's actually really light. He's like light, but like he's actually really light, but he's heavy for the size, though a bit heavy for the size. And he actually kind of reminds me of this chicken thing. So rubber's obviously a bit harder, but I feel like the same company made these. Like the same company made these. Well, Takara Tomy did not make this. I mean, this is too low quality for Takara Tomy to make. But what I'm trying to say is, I feel like it looks like this was like made by a different company, like not Takara, like something else, like not Hasbro or a different company. Like the same company as this one. Like, yeah. I don't even know how to say that. How do I say this? How do I say that? It looks like these guys are very similar in like the quality it looks like. And it looks like the same company made these two, even though, like I said a bit earlier, This is too low quality for Takara to make. So, yeah. Also, the tentacles are molded together for this thing, unfortunately. So you can't really like move them. It's like, oh, you gotta be kidding me. Like, well, what I think they did is I think it just got like a chunk of plastic, like some of the toothpick things, and like kind of did lines there. Yeah, well, even though you can't move them, it still looks pretty nice. So that's about done for this review. Hopefully you liked it, and make sure to like and subscribe. It's getting things out of the way so I can click the button. So yeah, bye.